So, hello guys! Welcome again to our vlog. For today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ang basic chords ng piano. Tara! So, let's start our tutorial in the basic chords for piano. So, this is the letter A. This one, and this, and this. Next, the letter B. This one, and this. Letter B. Next is the letter C. Next is letter D. This one and this. Letter D. And then let's proceed to the letter E. Next is letter F. This one. Letter F. And lastly, the letter G. So, sa susunod na video guys, ay ituturo ko naman kung paano gamitin ang left hand sa basic chords ng piano. Bye!